Viewers, breaking news coming in from the national capital. Bharatiya Janata Party is staging a protest outside Bengal Bhavan in New Delhi over the assault on Hindu monks in West Bengal. This is a collective protest against the Mamata government over these recent attacks on Hindu Sikhs and altogether Mamata's government's take against Hindus. You can see how the BJP workers are standing outside the Bengal Bhavan there in the national capital. My colleague Soumya is joining us live from the protest site. Soumya, what's happening there? What's the agenda?
Yes, Madhurima, not just the BJP workers, lawyers in large numbers have gathered outside Banga Bhavan here and they're protesting against the increased numbers of attacks that have been taken against Hindus in West Bengal. Right now we are being joined by a few of the BJP MPs from Bengal. Sir, can you take us through the agenda of this agitation that is taking place here today?
Actually, the situation of Bengal is very much bad, and there is no democracy in our state. And we people, particularly from BJP, we are being killed, being murdered, being raped. Our people means from BJP, and not only BJP, but all the opposition parties, they are suffering from this type of tortures by TMC government. So these are all these murders, atrocities against us are state-sponsored, and police is just also working in favor of them only. And in such a condition, grave condition, we are protesting our BJP members, particularly from Bengali Prakosta of Delhi, as well as the advocates from Delhi High Court. They are also protesting. They have also come here to protest against the Mamata government's atrocity against the population of West Bengal.
Sir, in last 1 month only, we have seen at least 8 such incidents of atrocities against Hindus in West Bengal. What do you have to say? Why is the establishment not helping the Hindus? Why are no FIRs being filed?
देखिए, बंगाल में जो हो रहा है अभी हिंदू के खिलाफ सब कुछ हो रहा है, मदद दे रहा है वहाँ का जो ममता बनर्जी का प्रशासन, वो भी उनका वो देश खिलाफी जो काम करने वाला है, बांग्लादेश से पक्ष में आवाज़ उठाने वाली को वो समर्थन देते हैं, प्रशासन भी उनका साथ दे रहा है। इसलिए बार बार वहाँ हिंदू के ऊपर अटैक हो रहा है, हो मोताबाड़ी हो, कोई मालदा हो, मुर्शिदाबाद हो, दक्षिण 24 परगना हो, सारी जगह में, हावड़ा, हुगली, सभी जगह पर वो हिंदू के ऊपर अटैक हो रहा है। बाद में क्या होता है, जो अटैक करने वाला वो उनका अरेस्ट नहीं करते, जो अटैक हो रहा है उनका ऊपर अत्याचार है उनका भी अरेस्ट करके झूठा केस लगा के वो केस कोर्ट में डाल देते। तो ऐसा हाल है हिंदू के लिए। वो बंगाल को बांग्लादेश बनाने के लिए ममता ने वो जय बांग्ला नारा भी लगाते हैं। तो ये देखिए, देश तो टुकड़ा हुआ किस लिए, पाकिस्तान हिंदुस्तान 2 नेशन के लिए, तो एक हिंदू के लिए, एक मुस्लिम के लिए। लेकिन हमारा जो सोच है, जो हम सबके साथ रहेंगे, सबका विकास करेंगे, तब भी हमारे ऊपर इतने अटैक हो रहा है, तब जो अटैक कर रहा है उनका कुछ नहीं हो रहा है। ये दुख में हूँ, इसलिए इनके साथ हमेशा रहेंगे कि वो हिंदू के हित में काम करना चाहिए।
Yes, well, Madhurima, see, you just heard 2 of the Bengal BJP MPs speaking to us exclusively, telling and taking us through the conditions of the Hindus there in the West Bengal, how the establishment there in the state is working at the behest of the Chief Minister there. As far as the atrocities against Hindus are concerned, right, every now and then there are serious attacks that have been taking place. Despite that, no actions are being taken and no FIRs are being registered. So these are the serious concerns that are being raised by the MPs and the other leaders and the lawyers who have gathered here. We'll try and get a sense from few of the women here present who are taking part here in the agitation. Ma'am, if we talk about West Bengal, the chief minister there is a woman. Despite that, we're seeing time and again atrocities against Hindu women. We had the Orjigar rape case that we saw that shook the nation last year, and it did not stop there. Time and again, things have been happening there. What do you demand as a woman?
Mamata should do the resignation. ममता को इस्तीफा देना चाहिए. जहां जनता सुरक्षित नहीं है वहां पर उनको राज नहीं करना चाहिए. ये वोट की राजनीति खूनी राजनीति में बदल चुके हैं. ये खूनी राजनीति से उनको हट जाना चाहिए.
Thank you so much. Now we are being joined by another Bengal BJP MP, Madhurima. We'll try and get a sense of what is expected. Sir, we are expecting more MPs here to gather, and what is expected out of this agitation?
To send a message, strong message to Mamata Banerjee so that she can step down from the power, as she is the main culprit in the whole thing, which has arisen after the judgment delivered by the Supreme Court yesterday. Precisely, that's the reason.
Thank you so much, sir, for speaking to us. See, Madhurima, the pace here is gaining. MPs, the Bengal BJP MPs are gathering here. Any moment we can expect Sukanta Majumdar, Union Minister Sukanta Majumdar, also joining this peaceful protests that are being led by the BJP members and an organization, Lawyers for Justice, that works pan-India, and they've gathered here to ask for justice. You can see they are raising slogans here. You can see multiple placards. They are in Bengali. However, a few of the placards are asking that if we stand united, we will be safe. Another placard suggests that most of the Hindus in Bengal demand the resignation of Mamata Banerjee. So this is the sentiment of the protesters who have gathered here outside Banga Bhawan. Back to you. Stay tuned as we bring in more details from ground zero. You can see heavy deployment of police here, and Bengal BJP members and lawyers have gathered in huge number against atrocities against Hindus in West Bengal. Stay tuned as we bring in more details from ground zero. We will be back after a short break. Keep watching Republic TV.